Ready? Start. Heard. Sri Ashok Khare, learned senior advocate, assisted by the learned counsels for the petitioners and all the counsels for the petitioners in the connected writ petitions, Sri G.K. Singh, learned senior advocate, assisted by Sri M.N. Singh, learned counsel for the respondent commission, Sri Rahul Srivastav and Sri Rahul Agarwal for the respondent High Court. Full stop para. The challenge in the writ petition is to the final result dated 27/2019 declared by the UP Public Service Commission, Allahabad of the UP Judicial Services Civil Judge Junior Division Examination 2018. Full stop. The contention is that wrong method of moderation had been adopted by the Commission, contrary to the moderation policy dated 8/3/2019 framed by it. Full stop para. The prayers in the bunch of the writ petitions are to quash the moderation exercises, correct the marks sheets by showing actual marks, and select the petitioners on the post of the Civil Judge Junior Division, and further to grant them all consequential benefits of appointment. Full stop para. The dispute with regard to the valuation of the answers scripts by adopting moderation procedure is confined to the law second paper, procedural and evidence. Full stop. Short question for consideration before us is as to whether the valuation of the answer scripts of law second, procedural and evidence is hit by the moderation policy dated 8/3/2019. Full stop para. Sri Ashok Khare, learned senior advocate, while interpreting clause 2 of the moderation policy, has asserted that in the event of the variation of the marks assigned by the head examiner, moderator and the original examiner being more than 10%, all the answers scripts of the paper law second, procedure and evidence were to be reevaluated by fresh examiners. Full stop para. With reference to the report of the head examiner, moderator appended with the counter affidavit, it is urged that the deduction of more than 10% from the original marks, assigned by the original examiners, had been recommended by the head examiner, moderator. Full stop. The chart appended as Annexure CA4 to the counter affidavit of the Commission shows that the deduction of 7%, 16%, 19% and 29% in the original marks had been recommended. Full stop. In case of variation of more than 10% in the marks assigned by two sets of evaluators, only option left with the head examiner was to recommend for revaluation of the answer scripts by fresh examiners. Full stop. The head examiner, thus, had deviated from the procedure prescribed in the moderation policy. Full stop. It is contended that in view of the policy formulated by the Commission, no discretion was left with the head moderator and he was obliged to script comply with the terms of the moderation policy itself. Full stop para. Sri G.K. Singh, learned senior advocate, assisted by Sri M.N. Singh, learned counsel for the Commission, however, submits that the process of moderation as is being followed by the Commission for valuation of the answer scripts of the objective type examinations has been formulated strictly in compliance of the decision of the Apex Court in Sanjay Singh versus UP Public Service Commission and others, reported in 2007 3 SCC 720. Full stop. Further, the exercise of moderation had been adopted by the Commission uninformally for evaluation of the answer scripts of all the 5 papers in the examination in question.